To ensure that your device is successfully connected to the robot, use the appropriate cable for your mobile device. Use the Lightning cable for iOS devices. For Type-C Android or iOS devices, use the black USB-C cable. For this example, we will be using the white Lightning cable. First, remove your marker. Then, plug in the Type-C end into your robot. If you're using a Type-C device, plug it in like this. Plug in your Lightning cable into the robot. Then, plug in the Lightning end into your device's connection port. Turn on your robot. Then turn on your primary marker. You will be prompted when a successful connection is made. Your primary marker will also have a white LED light. Your marker and robot will also have 2 green lights. Tap on the robot menu to confirm connection. Tap the home button. Then tap record to open the camera. Press the record button on your marker to start and stop the recording. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching and happy swiveling!